Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to find Ethereum wallet address on Mexc exchange. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing, you need to open your Mexc exchange. Once you have logged into your Mexc account, you need to click on wallets at the bottom right corner. From here, you need to select deposit option, and now you need to click on on-chain deposit. Now in the search bar, you need to search for Ethereum and select Ethereum, and here you need to choose a network, so simply choose Ethereum network and always make sure to select same network on the opposite side also, or you will lose all your assets permanently. Now select Ethereum, and here you can see your Ethereum wallet address along with the QR code. Tap copy to copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find Ethereum wallet address on Mexc account. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.